Islam is a very peaceful religion. Okay, I would much rather, Hasini just said, Islam is really sexy religion. Islam is really sexy religion. I mean, Islam is sexy. Take it from me.
I have to read the Quran every day. So at night I would read it. I mean, when I went to sleep, I would read a little, few pages. So one night I was reading it, it kind of got, quite sexy.
That's a description I've never heard of the Quran.
I thought to myself, now wait a minute. I'm in Ramzan, this is a holy month. Should I be reading a book that's talking about sex? But then I say, what's the Quran? And so Quran, the religion is very...
It celebrates sex. I'm sick of Muslims coming up on the television, whether it's CNN or BBC or whatever. Islam is a very peaceful religion. Okay, I would much rather, Hasini just said, Islam is a really sexy religion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.